Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing about this recent Bitcoin dump and I'm going to just tell you not to panic about it because of course it's quite healthy. We're going to talk about as well 3 other coins which I think they are poised to go way higher than what right now, and I'm going to show you all the setups and what to expect for the next 2 to 3 weeks. But of course, before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button for more notification. But let's cut the chase, guys. Let's get straight away into Bitcoin today. Bitcoin, we had this dump last night where we went from roughly $73,000 to now it's at 70,500. Everybody is now panicking. They think that the bull market is finished, but I'm going to reassure you straight away that this dump over here is quite healthy, and I'm going to show you what to expect for the next few days. So straight away, I'm going to show you what happened right now with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin went down and it broke this level of support over here. We dumped down to this level, then we had a nice engulfing candle to try to go back up again, and we had this massive sell-off right now from here, and it looks like we form what we call a double top over here. So the question is where we're gonna go next. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you some levels of different levels of support and resistance, so you're going to have a good idea where is the all this level to buy and sell. So straight away I'm going to go and put my diagonal level of support, and I'm going to put my horizontal level of support, which one is over here. Then we have a next one down over here, and then I'm going to go into my next level of support, which is roughly over here. And as you can see right now, I'm on the on the 4 hours chart. So at the moment, guys, it looks like we have broken down this important level of support, and Bitcoin could actually dip even more than what it is right now. So a way we would actually calculate how low we're going to go to would be, first of all, to have a look at this diagonal level of support I'm highlighting right now. And as you can see, we have many different levels. So the other thing I want to see as well would be the Fibonacci retracement, which I'm going to put over here, and then the next one I'm going to put my EMA, so to see how low we could go to. Now, if we're going to be, continue to go down from this point to this point, the next level of support I could think of for Bitcoin before opening a long position would be around this area over here. So what could be happening right now in the 4-hour chart, we could see a continuation to the downside and maybe reach this level of diagonal support at around $66,000. We could see maybe going down this way and then being rejected from here, and then to continue to go down at around 66,000. That would be like a very good dip. Then from there, I guess we have to have a look, what's going to be happening after, and then we might see a little bit of a pullback and then further continuation to the downside, maybe down to 62,000, in between 61 and 62, and then my final target for this could be at around 58 to 59,000, or also with a 200 EMA. So I guess if you're gonna break all the structure with Bitcoin, that's gonna be like a very important level to buy, and then what I'll be considering to open a long position, because what I could be expecting could be a sort of this movement. We're gonna see going down this way, and then to continue to trend up in the next months. But I guess we just had to wait and see at the moment. Am I worried about this correction, guys? Not at all, because we pumped from roughly $38,000 to $73,000 with no pullbacks, with no retracement. So now it's time for Bitcoin to correct just a little bit. So that's quite normal. I'm not concerned at all. So I'm really expecting that at least we're going to pull back at maybe 67,000, 68,000, and still I will feel extremely bullish about the whole situation. So for Bitcoin, I feel like I feel quite good. I'm pretty sure these dips are going to be bought fairly quickly, and then I will feel very good about it. The next one I want to show you today, guys, it's FET or Fetch, which is a very important AI coin. I'm just going to highlight from here. I'm going to bring it over here. So FET or Fetch, as you can see as well, we had this interesting head and shoulder pattern over here back in the last few days. We broke the structure over here. We retested the neckline, which was over here. So I'm going to show you better. Shoulder over here, head over here, shoulder over here. Retested once, retested twice, and then it looks like it wants to continue to trend lower. So for FET, I think we have a few levels to look at. So the first level is going to be, I'm going to show you from here, because also we had with FET a sort of a bull flag from here. So we had a bull flag that could be coming from this way to this way. So now it looks like we could be retesting this area, but also it could have been a pennant as well. So we have this first level of resistance from here, another level over here. So it could have been a pennant, a bullish pennant. It could be a flag, but what is important that we broke this level here of resistance. Then we went up and then we retested this area, and it looks like now it's breaking down again. So I think if this is actually a bullish pattern, I guess we're going to have a look at this very important area of support before opening a long position to then continue to go to the upside. But if this one is actually, let's say, a bull flag, then what we could be expecting for fetch would be a retracement down. So from here to here, I'm going to show you like this, then like this, maybe around this area down here, and then to continue. Or if this one is actually a flag, then I guess we had to have a look at our previous level of support, which is going to be around this area. So I guess we could retrace down to $2 for FET, maybe around this area, around the 21st of March, and then it will be a very good idea to open a long position from here. But the next one I want to show you today, guys, and by the way, in real time, Bitcoin is actually dipping like we are expecting right now. It's going down. So the next one I want to show you today, which is quite interesting, it's a coin which I think is going to do very well. It's going to go up like crazy, guys. It's Gala Games. Gala Games, I believe, like, you know, is in a very interesting pattern, but it looks like is a bull flag. And what I will be expecting from here on the 4-hour chart would be, as you can see, is forming a bull flag. We are going down. So let me just go and draw my pattern over here. As you can see, like we have a pole over here. We have a flag, and I believe it's just going to go and continue to go down, maybe retouching this level here. So I'm going to be a buyer here at around this level of 0.05 to 0.06, because I believe it's going to go then consolidate here and then go higher with a target of roughly 10 cents for Gala USDT. So that's going to be a very powerful pattern. And the next one I want to show you today, guys, is also Luna. Luna is also showing like an incredible level of like a flag over here, like a bull flag, pole over here. Then we have a retracement, so it might actually go back and retest this level of support from here, and then continue to go down, and then from here it will probably retest this area and then push all the way up to maybe next level at around $2. So again, those are the two coins which I think are going to do very well. Luna USDT, Gala as well, but also Fetch AI has a very good potential. So overall, guys, Bitcoin seems like it wants to retrace a little bit. That could potentially put lots of pressure onto the altcoins, but again, the trend is still very, very bullish. So we might see a correction, like a rebound around this area at around, let's say 67,000, 66,000, to then maybe continue to go up, or the next level of support could be down to this area at 63,000. If you break this level, that could be the next one at around $57,000 to $58,000. So I guess we had to wait and see, but at the moment, you know, it looks like it's doing what we are predicting right now. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Just don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to try to be careful as much as you can, because this is of course a market that you have to be extremely careful right now. It's a bull market, but you're going to expect so many drops like this happening in the future. So don't be greedy, always wait for the right opportunity, and I'm going to see you in the next video.